The Passion Turtle and the Shy Bird. Once upon a time, there was a quiet forest near a blue river. In the forest lived a passion turtle named Timo. Every morning, Timo walked slowly and smiled. He always said, "Good morning," to everyone. One day, Timo saw a small bird sitting alone. The little bird looked sad and shy. "Hello," said Timo softly. "My name is Lily. I am too shy to talk," said the bird. "That's okay. Everyone goes at their own pace." Lily felt a little better and started smiling. Timo and Lily became good friends. Every day, Timo sat near the tree with Lily. Day by day, Lily became braver. One morning, Lily sang a beautiful song. All the animals stopped and listened. Kindness and passion help others grow. The end.